Hello everyone, and welcome to Maths with Mr. Chow. Today we're going to learn how to find a percentage of an amount. It's easier than you think, so let's get started. Let's start with the rule. To find a percentage of an amount, multiply the percentage by the amount. Let's look at an example. How do we find 20% of 50? Let's solve this step by step. We want to find 20% of 50. First, change 20% into a decimal. 20% is equal to 0.20. Now multiply 0.20 by 50. The answer is 10. So, 20% of 50 equals 10. Let's try another example. Find 35% of 80. Change 35% to 0.35. Now multiply 0.35 by 80. The answer is 28. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try this question yourself. Find 15% of 60. Choose the correct answer. Let's check the answer. The correct answer is B. First, change 15% to 0.15. Next, multiply 0.15 by 60. The answer is 9. Well done if you got it correct. Let's review what we learned today. First, change the percentage to a decimal. Next, multiply by the amount. Finally, check your answer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.